to cancel Headspace premium subscription online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Headspace application, or you can get into headspace.com via web, and then from there make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you will be able to see on the navigation bar right here, and from your profile icon here you'll actually be able to see account. What you're going to do is simply tap on account, and then you'll be able to get into account settings. From here, what you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you find subscription. Tap on subscription, and then after tapping on subscription, scroll all the way down. You'll be able to find the option of manage subscription. What you're going to do is simply tap on manage subscription, and then you can now get the option of auto renewal under the manage subscription. Find that auto renewal and make sure that the toggle button of that auto renewal is turned off, and when the auto renewal turns off and your cycle ends, the renewal cycle ends at the end of the month, you will now successfully be able to cancel your Headspace premium subscription online, because you won't be paying the premium subscription for the other month, and just like that you'll be able to cancel your Headspace premium subscription.